Hello everyone and welcome to Maths Lessons with AY. I am AY and in today's lesson we begin one of the most important topics in mathematics, elementary set theory. Whether you are studying mathematics, computer science, engineering, economics, or the natural sciences, understanding sets is essential because sets form the language of modern mathematics. This lesson is designed for beginners, so I will explain every concept carefully and solve examples step by step. Now, imagine that I ask you to make a list of all the months in a year. You will probably write January, February, March, April, May, June, up to December. Since everyone will write the same list, we say that this collection is well defined. Now, suppose I ask you to list all beautiful flowers. Your answer may be different from mine because beautiful is subjective. Because there is no single correct answer, this collection is not well defined. This simple idea helps us understand what mathematics mean by set. Now, let's define set formally. A set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects called elements or members. Well-defined, as I earlier said, everyone agrees whether an object belongs to a set. Collection simply means a group of objects. Distinct means no repetition. Now, let's look at some examples of a set. Is the following a set? The days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Is this a well-defined set? It is distinct. There is no repetition. So we can say that this is a set. What are the prime numbers less than 15? Yes, this is well-defined. What are the even numbers less than 10? 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Yes, we can say this is a set because it is well-defined. The tall students in a class. Is this a set? No, this cannot be a set because tall student is subjective. Beautiful flowers. This one too is subjective. It cannot be a set. There are two methods of representing sets. Method 1 is the roster method. That is, we list every element of the set or every member in equally braces. For instance, A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the elements are listed. Method 2 is the set builder method. Describe the property. Here, instead of listing the element as in method 1, the roster method, we wrote A equals to X, such that X is an element, is an integer less than 12. All integers less than 12 are the elements of A. So the symbol, this column, means such that. Now, let's look at types of set. 1, we have empty set. An empty set is a set that contains no elements, and it is denoted as this. Example, students who are 300 years old. Students who are 300 years old. Can you find a student who is 300 years old? So definitely, this set will be empty. Singleton set. A singleton set is a set that contains exactly one element. For example, A equals to 5. A contains just one element, a single element. So it can be referred to as a singleton set. Another example of type of set is the finite set. Finite set is a set that contains a limited number of elements. Example, the 12 months of the year is finite. The infinite set is a set that continues forever. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, ... dot 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 means it continues in that pattern. Example, state whether each collection is finite or infinite. A, the set 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, and 8. This is a finite set because it contains limited elements. Prime numbers. This set is infinite because it continues forever. Students often think when you have a set 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, this set contains 5 elements. No, this is one of the common mistakes. Repeated elements are counted only once in a set. You remember from the definition, we said distinct objects. So the elements needs to be distinct. Therefore, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3 can be written as 1, 2, 3 in form of a set. We have learned what a set is, what a well-defined means, elements of a set, methods of describing sets, types of sets. Thank you for joining me in today's lesson. In our next lesson, we shall study subsets and universal sets, where we will learn how one set can be contained within another and how mathematicians describe the universe of objects under discussion. Until then, keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, mathematics becomes easier when you understand the ideas behind the symbol. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next class.